In June 1946, an airplane traveled from Rome to Paris, crossing over the Mediterranean Sea. What was extraordinary about this flight was that, for 20 minutes, one of its passengers became its pilot. This passenger was none other than Dr. Helen Keller, an American author, educator, and activist who had been both blind and deaf since childhood. Helen Keller was no stranger to the sky. Her first flight as a passenger took place in 1919 during the filming of Deliverance, a biographical film about her life. The producer aimed to dispel public skepticism by showing Keller doing everyday activities, including flying in an airplane, which was a marvel at the time. Helen Keller had a profound love for flying. In 1931, she flew from New York to Washington, D.C., describing the plane as a great graceful bird sailing through the illimitable sky. This flight, covered by the New York Times, culminated in a meeting with the President of the United States, showcasing Keller's relentless spirit and determination. In 1946, Keller and her companion Polly Thompson were on a mission for the American Foundation for the Overseas Blind. During a flight from Rome to Paris, Keller took over the pilot's control for 20 minutes. Through hand-taught, Thompson translated the pilot's instructions, allowing Keller to navigate the plane with remarkable precision. The crew was amazed at her sensitive touch, noting the calm and steady manner in which she flew. Helen Keller's pioneering spirit didn't just stop with a remarkable flight. Her efforts as a writer, lecturer, and activist helped to break down barriers and challenge societal views on disability. Her legacy paved the way of others like 15-year-old Katie Inman, who piloted a plane in 2012. Keller's achievements demonstrated that blindness and deafness were no obstacles to greatness, removing social stigma and inspiring generations. Helen Keller's story is a testament to human resilience and the unyielding pursuit of dreams. Her journey from a young girl unable to see or hear to a woman who piloted a plane embodies the triumph of the human spirit. Keller showed the world that with determination and support, anything is possible. Helen Keller's life reminds us that our limitations do not define us. Her story encourages us to challenge societal norms and push the boundaries of what is possible. Through her legacy, we learn that true freedom lies in the courage to defy expectations and soar above them. Thanks for watching.